So here you can see one of the important changes that are affecting the web events. Apple has announced changes to iOS 14 devices that will affect how we receive and process web events data. Once Apple release their changes, will use our aggregate events measurement protocol to process events from the people on iOS 14 devices that are opted out of data sharing to help you optimize and understand the efficacy of your campaign. So what that means, so basically if we from the Google we search iOS 14 changes for Facebook, and from these images you can see now the basically Apple has putting a message to the people that they can opt out of these changes. So just example from this image, you can see that hi Paul, about would you like permission to track across apps and website owned by other companies. So if they allow the tracking, they can be tracked from, just example, the Facebook pixel, but if they opt out of tracking, so they will not be tracked with the pixel. For that one, we need to set up the aggregated events. So how we can do that, I am going to discuss that in this video. So first of all, from the business settings, you need to go to business settings, and from the business settings, you need to verify your domain first. So how you can do that? Simply go to the business settings and then, okay, let it load. Then from these options, click on the brand safety and then click on domains. So here you can see we need to add the domain name here. So I am just putting the domain name here. Then you can click on add domain. After adding the domain, you can simply click on copy to clipboard and then go to your website and put that code in the header of your website. So I'm going to edit the code. For the Shopify, you can go to theme.liquid file, and then in the header of the website, you can put this one. So before the header code end, I am putting this code here and then I am saving it. Then you need to again come back to the business settings and click on verify. So here you can see our domain name is verified now. So this is the first step we need to do in order to get compliance against the iOS 14 changes. Then you need to go back to the event setup. Go to events manager. Select your relevant pixel. One more thing, for one pixel, you can only verify one domain name. So this is the aggregate events measurement. So just click on this one, aggregate events measurement. Then click on configure web events. So for this one, you can simply click on this manage events. Okay, click on edit. And from here, you need to add the events. So you need to, first of all, add the topmost priority, the event that for you is the topmost of priority. So first of all, select the pixel, then select the event. So just example, these are the different events we have already set up. So first of all, the purchase event, I want to get that. So then for the second one, value optimization, right now, because we don't get any like the pixel file for that, so that's why I am not selecting that. Then again, select the pixel, then the second topmost priority item. So just example, the next one is the add payment info. The third event will be again for the same pixel, will be the checkout, initiate checkout. Then you can put the add to cart option. So you can add up to 8 different events here from highest priority to the lowest priority. So you need to select all those events here, and then you need to click on submit and then click on understand these changes. So in this way, you can get the compliance of the iOS changes for your account. And when you will be creating the ads, there will be no yellow sign there, and all things will be okay. So in this way, you can like do all these necessary changes for the iOS 14 updates.